Today I found these two mini toys or balls from Toy Mini Brands. I'm going to open these and yes, I know that I haven't been making a video for a long time, but I'm actually working on a new stop motion what takes quite some time, and I have had a lot of other things to do in my daily life, so I'm sorry that I didn't upload anything before now. But sadly that is how this art channel will work out. I upload when I can. But anyway, today I have these two Toy Mini Brands balls and I'm going to open them and see what I get in here. I've seen a few open these and I thought they would be perfect for my girl Lori to see if she could use any of these. So let's get into this one. And of course these don't work. Yeah. There we go. And then the extra layer in here. I am so much hoping for some really cool toys. Let's see. It's this end. Taking up out this one and opening up. And I'm pretty sure the collector guide is in this bigger one. It wasn't. Ooh, I really wanted this one. This little dinosaur robotic. And they're so much cuter in real life. I really wondered how they would look like, but this is really amazing. Love it. Okay, the next one. Let's take this one. Then maybe that's the biggest. Yeah, here it is. The collection guide. That has like really many things. I would like some of these dolls. I would like some of them. And yes, we have some washable tempera. I think that's kind of a paint. And that is actually perfect for Lori, so I'm happy for that. Let's put this here. And this one. Oh, I got this slime thing. That is just out of scale, so it's actually kind of too big for my girl, but still okay. Not the best one. And a box ready to roll. Some cars. I really don't care much for these toy boxes because it's just a paper box, but this one with the animal in is really amazing. The last one in this one, I got I got the llama. I like that one. I really like that one. So that was the first 5 things. I'm going to save these I'm going to save these half circles because I'm thinking of making some things for my girl with them. So I'm definitely going to keep these. See if I can put them together again. Is that right? Maybe. You can actually put them together into a ball again. So you could use them for storing things in if you want to. But I will keep these and maybe make something of them sometime. So that was my first things. Put them aside and go into my last ball. And see what I get there. I really need that doll. I want it. So I hope it's in here. But at least I didn't get the card and those things because they are kind of meh. And it's right here. Ooh, that worked. Woohoo! Get that off. and pop off this one. So I have 2 big rooms and 3 smaller rooms. Let's take this one first. Oh, I got one of those again. One more of these robot things. Let's see if I can open it. I can. Is it me, or is the tail pretty short on this one? And they could easily have made the whole tail here without any problems at all. Okay, that's a bit sad, but it's actually pretty cool that you can have this little toy. Let's take it out. Oh, it's only half the size. That's pretty bummer. It could have been fun if you could have taken it out and playing around with it. Nah, I'd rather keep it in the box. If I can get it in there. Okay, so that's a double. And another collector's guide. Yeah, the egg shot. This is pretty neat, and it looks like it has the texture and the look on both sides. So you could take it out and remove that little thingy that keeps it in place if you want to for your dolls. I like that really much. So I have a few things here that I really like. That's nice. This one, oh, Avatar. I got the Avatar figure, and it is a doll, so it's actually pretty cool. And the box is pretty nice, and the details on these boxes are amazing. I think these are so cool. Only 2 left. Get all this off. And it's a box of Crayola, and these are actually a bit too big for my 1 to 6 doll, but I think if you have a 1 to 3, they might be fitting in the size. And the last one. I got a rock rat. I like this. The baby rock rat. I don't know this show because I actually don't see it, but I think this little figure is really, really cool. So I am going to save these also. I might be able to use them for something. So I actually got quite a lot of really cool things here. I only got 1 double. I'm happy about that. And this double is actually pretty neat, but it's not that good out of the box, but it's really good in the box. The box is amazing. So I got the slime that is too big for my girl. I got the Crayola that is actually pretty cool, but it's again too big for her. Then I got these paints things, and I actually think they could be used because you can get them in very big containers here in Denmark like this, so they could go. Then there is this little ready to roll car track thing. I don't actually really know what this is, if it's a track or if it's just supposed to be the car. The box itself is pretty neat and can be used in a store, but it's just a box. And then there is this little doll in the box. I like the size of that, so I got 1 figure. I got the llama figure, and that also has the right size for the dolls, and you can take it out of the box, and I might do that. I got the shooter, and again I might take these out of the box, I don't know yet. And the rock rat, also a very nice size for the 1 to 12. So I'm actually pretty happy with these things I got here. I really wanted these, and I'm kind of disappointed over the toy inside. It's only made for show, where these toys are more interesting. I actually like to take one of these out, but I'm also like, really nah. Well, this one could be because it doesn't have that thing in the back, and this one doesn't either, so I could open one of these and take them out without any problems. Let's see if I can do it without damaging the box. Possible. Open it up and get the little man out of here. Oh, there we go. So this is a cool figure because the whole figurine is here, and it's made of kind of a hard plastic. A rubbery plastic thingy. The fun thing about this is you can use it as a prop for your doll and put it back into the box if you want to. And this I really like. So if you are making cool pictures with your doll or dolls, then this would actually be a very nice thing to have. And I cannot put it back. Come on. Come on. There we go. Okay, I'm happy with that. The only thing that I'm not that happy about is all this plastic. It's kind of unnecessary. I think the balls is really cool also because you can reuse these for some shelving units or a flower thing for your dollhouse. So you can reuse these, but they could have made the top piece here in paper. This way you would not have all that plastic garbage left. But it's a lot of plastic for these small toys. This one could be a glow in the dark, but it's not. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and happy finding.